Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the Karwa Chauth look which I prepared, makeup and hair look, and this is gonna be the part 1 which I did in salwar, and it has got the easy makeup and effortless look. You would see that what all products I have used which I shopped from Nykaa, and you can definitely try some of the other steps from this look. You can try at least on any festival or Karwa Chauth itself, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this. So if you wanted to know how I did this, let's get started and get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to prep my face. I'm using L'Oreal Crystal Clear Serum, and this will also work as a primer. I have used this before, an entire bottle, the small bottle, and it works well. I'm not sure about crystal clear skin, but it gives you the clear skin and it also brightens up your face. So if you wanted to try this as a day cream or day serum, you can surely use this. It's good. Let's move on to the moisturizer. I am using the Body Shop Carrot Cream Moisturizer. I already spoke about this moisturizer. It's very lightweight. It is rich in vitamin E, vitamin A, and it moisturizes your face so well. Now I'm heading towards the foundation. I'm using Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. Shade is 115 and it suits my skin tone. If you are of my complexion, you can surely choose this product. It is very lightweight, it is liquidy, it sets your face, and it also mattes your face basically. So if you are in like oily skin, you can surely choose. If you are dry skin also, it won't dry you much and it would give you a good effect. So you can choose this foundation. It sets well and it is also goes for a longer time. It does not oxidize also on your face if you powder it. So if you powder it well, you can it will just fit on your face for 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours. Good. I'm just putting that on my lips to give a matte effect so that I can apply lipstick. Here I am using concealer from MAC Cosmetic. My shade is NC25. So this is very good high-end concealer. If you can invest in some high-end concealer, then I'm surely recommend you the brand MAC, and you can choose the MAC concealer. It gives you a good high coverage. Other concealers like Maybelline, L'Oreal and all, I feel that they give medium, but this give high coverage. And I'm using the Beauty Blender by Maybelline. This is kind of a toothbrush shape and it blends well. I'm using this for my foundation, but today I've used it for my concealer as well, and it did the good job, so I'm satisfied. I think it is blended. I'm just trying to mix it all in so that it looks even, and it's done. Let's move on to blush. I'm using Nicka K Duo blush, and you can see the first one is very good because you can see I just hit the pan and it is that good. So if you're looking for soft look, soft contouring, you can use this. So I'm just covering my jawline. Now I'm using MAC concealer just to set my face so that I can move ahead for the contouring part. I will be using a little bit. This is the best compact which I have ever found from MAC. It is Studio Fix called as. Done. Now I'll move ahead with the contouring. So this is a light contouring which I'm showing you. If you are someone who loves light contouring, then Nicka K contouring powder is good. You can use it. You can use it anywhere. It is that good. And it is also affordable, available on Nykaa. I'm just covering my nose. I'm just giving shape to my nose, which looks pointed and it looks good on pics. Now I have chosen another shade just to intensify the look and get that brown look. It has got two shades, something in yellow and something is in pinkish. If you could mix both, it's good. I'm just covering my forehead too to give a definition. Now I'm showing you, if you wanted a dark contouring, like me, I need some dark contouring, like little defined, you can say, not that intensified. So you can use L'Oreal Paris Infallible contouring powder. Now the packaging is being changed, so you can check on Nykaa. I am using the blush also from L'Oreal. This is from Sunset Glow. They called this as Sunset Glow blush, and this is my favorite blush. It also gives you the highlighted effect. That's the reason. Now I'm just covering my brows, so I'll just put it on. Many a times people have told me that you don't have to fill in your brows, it looks as it is, and I trusted, and I never used to do my brows, like it's like last year till last year. But I just thought that when I started using brows, I'm doing my brows, my face changes. Now I'll move on to eyes, and I'm using Makeup Revolution, this palette. I'll give you the link. I bought this from Nykaa and it has got so many colors. It's good. I'm choosing the pinkish color to provide a base first to my eyes, then I'll move on and intensify the look. So just put a good base to your eyes so that other products or other eyeshadow sets well. Now I'm using the peach color. I'm using my finger and I'm setting this on. So again, this is also giving the base. Now I am using another palette from Makeup Revolution, same Incredible palette, Pretty Incredible palette, and I am using kind of a dark coffee shade just to intensify the inner, not inner corner, it's middle, middle of your eyes where you have the arc. You can see in the pic, as soon as I put the dark color in the middle, in the arc to make an arc, you can see it intensifies. So that's what you need to do. Now I'm moving towards the sky blue palette, and this is C3 Makeup Revolution concealer. So I'll just put this on. I don't want it to look too sky blue, too vibrant, that won't suit. I'll just put in the set off the color sky blue, and then later I'll merge that in, so it won't look like you just got the vibrant sky blue eyes, because I don't think on this look it would suit. So let's see. Now patch the color on, and later we will blend that in. So patch it over on the concealer. It sets. The reason why we use the concealer, so that that color sets well, and later it just stays there and you can mix it in. That's how. This is the trick you can use for other shadows also, if you just want your particular shade to just put it over, just sit out there. Now I did this. I don't want it to look like this. I am just taking brown shade from Pretty Incredible palette, Makeup Revolution Pretty Incredible palette, and I'm just mix it in. Yeah, you can see I just blended all over. I don't want it to look so vibrant. I blended it over both the eyes. Yeah, now I am again taking the sky blue shade and just putting it all over, so that it just gives me the hint of sky blue, but not sky blue. You can see just giving a little bit of sky blue, and others are in copper shade. And now I'm taking black shade from Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm just merging that in with my fingers. It's fine. I don't think here I just wanted to use the brush. It was just blending that in on both the palettes what I'm using. You can surely buy, those are really good. You can surely invest in this. So now I'm just filling my inner corner so that it gets highlighted and your eyes looks bigger. Done. Now I'm just filling it. I'm not putting any kajal. I may use some liner, I'll see. Now I'm just putting the same color down the eye, so that it looks all together and it does not look separated. Your eye should look blended and together. If you do not do this trick, then it may look like I'm just sipping my coffee, black coffee out here. Yeah, okay, so let's carry on. I'm using Maybelline kajal. It's some high drama kajal. Actually it is got a little dry, but I just wanted to use this, so I'll just give some color, not using eyeliner. I'm just using this, and I'll try to make a blurred wing out of this. So I'm just pulling that out, so that it gives you a blurred wing like that. Yeah, even on this side, so it looks good. You can try. Now I'm using Nykaa's Wing and Blink, I think, if I'm not wrong, the name. I'm just putting out here outer corner, only the outer corner. I'm not taking it inside. I don't want it to be darker or just full-fledged. I just wanted it to be light. Now you can see it is coming all together. Now I'm using the mascara. This is my favorite mascara from L'Oreal, False Lashes. So I usually don't use false lashes. I use these kind of mascaras. I am comfortable with this. However, I'll come up with the video and show you how to use false lashes. That also I use sometimes. Don't forget your baby hairs down, and just coat it off so that it looks bigger, and you just have to pull it up. I'm using highlighter from the same shade or the same palette from L'Oreal Paris. So just highlighting a little more my face. Done. Now coming to lip colors, I am using Nykaa and Huda Beauty. These two colors, I'll mix it off. So first I wanted to give some neutral base to my lips. This is from Nykaa So Creamy lipstick. This is, I think, newly launched some times ago, and this is very good. That's the reason I just bought this to try how it looks. And it is good, it is good, and it does not, smudge off or something. Now I'm using Huda Beauty. So Huda Beauty is a little expensive, and if you can buy this, if you can invest in this lipstick, you can surely do. And I can tell you the dupes of this lipstick, but I feel that these lipsticks are so good. Huda does the good job in making lipsticks or foundations, etc. So this just defines your lips. It's very good. As it is also, you can use this lip color. I'm just coating it over. Done. This is how it looks. So it is just matching my dress, my dupatta. Now I'm doing my hair, so I just wanted to do a little puff, and I'm just combing. So this is the trick you can use. You can comb it, your hair, front hair, with your fingers. See how I'm doing. So in between your hairs, you just put your fingers and try to just kind of brush it off. Now I'm twisting that off. If you do that kind of a teasing, you're brushing in between with your finger, it gives you the poof look, and it sets well. It does not move also. It gives you don't have to use the extra those poof which comes in the market. So I just tuck that clutch in. And for salwar, it suits well. I didn't want so much of a heavy, because I'll do that heavy hair on the sari, which I'll show you the videos. That video will come very soon. So let's try this on salwar suit, maybe, if it is easy for you. And that's how it looks. It looks good, guys. I've tried this. Now I'm just getting ready and wearing my bangles. This is how I got the matching. I got this in silver, which is matching to my dupatta. Now I'm just putting on the bindi. I usually use small bindis. Maybe big bindis does not go on my face. I'm just using the bindi little above, and this is the final finished look. So hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.